Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Go for Editing. So today we are diving into the AI. For that we are using the platform called Higgsfield.ai. So as you can see, I have already opened the Higgsfield.ai platform here. So you can easily able to create the AI videos, images, short stories, then short movies you can create easily with this platform. This is a very amazing platform to create the AI videos. So as you can see on the top, there are different options like image, video, edit. So the plus point about this AI platform is that you can edit the video itself in this platform. So as you can see here, different templates you can see. uh, Even you can create the visual effects. So as you can see that this effects are working very in a very smooth way. There are no glitches in this video. So you can see on the screen. So all these type of the AI videos you can easily create with this platform called Higgsfield.ai. So there is one new feature update called Kling 2.6, which introduced by this Higgsfield.ai. So I'll give you the small tutorial about the same. So for that you have to go to the video, and here as you can see Kling 2.6, you have to click on that. Now here on the left side you can see that prompt is there, audio, and you have to select the duration and the aspect ratio of the video. So I have already created certain videos in this. So now I will give the prompt in this: a glowing waveform, build a futuristic city, sound and visual perfectly synchronized. And you have to just enable here the audio, so it will synchronize the audio with this video. And model is Kling 2.6, duration is 5 seconds, and aspect ratio 16:9. And then you have to just press the generate. So it will automatically generate the video for you. So here as you can see, our video is ready. So we have to just download from here itself. I'll just play.
Watch. Watch as the city rises from sound itself. Every beat, every pulse builds this world.
So guys, likewise you can create the such videos using this Higgsfield.ai platform. I have already created one video that is like intro of the YouTube. So I'll just play here.
Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right into today's video.
So guys, like this you can create videos using this Higgsfield.ai platform. So this is very amazing platform to create the AI videos. You can create the short stories. Just you have to give the prompt and enable the audio, and it will create the video for you just in a second. So I'll show you the pricing of this Higgsfield.ai. So as you can see here, there are certain plans there: basic, pro, ultimate and creator. So in different plans you will get the different features and certain options, as you can see. Then here as you can see, there are certain example of this AI videos. This is a pro gallery. then Higgsfield Soul. As you can see, this then Kling 2.5 turbo, camera control, then viral. Likewise, you can create the trending content like this. And even you can create the commercial, like professional video that showcase your brand and product beautifully. Then dynamic video creation. So there are a lot of things you can create with this AI platform. This is a very amazing platform to create the AI videos. So I have already shown some video example. So simply I'll give once again I'll show you the Kling 2.6. Simply you have to go to the video, then Kling 2.6, and you have to just provide the prompt audio enable, and you can easily create the AI videos using this platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to the Go for Editing channel. Also, you can buy the plans Higgsfield.ai and create the amazing AI videos. Thank you so much.
Watch. Watch as the city rises from sound itself. Every beat, every pulse builds this world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right into today's video.
Behold the pinnacle of artificial intelligence. It learns, evolves, and reveals secrets beyond human imagination.